Emma here from Price Attack HQ, and I'm here to show you how to crimp your hair with a GHD straightener. To achieve this look, you will need a straightener, the Muck thermal protector, the AG dry wax, and some sectioning clips. First, lightly spray your Muck thermal protector throughout your hair. Now, take your first section at the bottom of your hair and secure it with a sectioning clip. Now, take your GHD straightener and place at the root of your hair. You're wanting to rotate your straightener up and down as you move it down the hair. Repeat this step throughout the hair. Once you're finished, take your AG dry wax finishing spray and spray throughout the hair, ensuring that you scrunch as you spray. This is the final look. If you want to know any more about the products I used today, pop into your local Price Attack store.